Looking for the perfect Lenovo ThinkPad but feeling overwhelmed with so many choices? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether you're a student, a business pro, or a creative powerhouse, we'll help you find the right ThinkPad for your needs. Stay tuned till the end for some bonus tips you don't want to miss. Lenovo's ThinkPad lineup is legendary for its durability, performance, and killer keyboards. But with models like the X1 Carbon, T-Series, and P-Series, picking the best one can be tricky. Let's break it down by category. For everyday users, the ThinkPad T-Series. If you need a balanced laptop for work, school, and daily multitasking, the ThinkPad T-Series is your best bet. It's got a solid build with MIO STD durability, great battery life up to 15 plus hours, and enough power for office work, web browsing, and light editing. It's best for students, professionals, and remote workers. For power users, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Want something ultra premium? Meet the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Sleek, lightweight, and powerful. It's super lightweight and just 2.4 pounds, brilliant 2K and OLED display options, and 12th and 13th Gen Intel processors for smooth performance. It's best for business execs, frequent travelers, and professionals who need power on the go. For creatives and engineers, the ThinkPad P-Series. Now, if you're into heavy-duty tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, or software development, the ThinkPad P-Series is your beast mode option. Why? It's got an Intel i9 Xeon processors for extreme performance, RTX graphics for rendering and gaming, and up to 128GB RAM for multitasking like a boss. It's best for engineers, graphic designers, and content creators. So which ThinkPad is right for you? Drop a comment below with your needs and we'll help you pick the best one.